Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm here to introduce you to a practical course that can help enhance your skills. This course is designed for cloud architects, system administrators, IT professionals, developers, database administrators, consultants, business analysts, and students. By completing this course, you will be prepared to take the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate exam and demonstrate your skills in managing and deploying cloud infrastructure. The course has around 3,000 students enrolled. Currently, with a discount on Udemy, the price is approximately €12. Once purchased, you will have lifetime access to the course and all future updates. Upon completion, you will also receive an official certificate. Now, I want to offer you free and completely legal access to this course. To see how this works, first subscribe to my channel and add this video to your watch list. Open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com on Google. From the search results, click on the correct link. Ensure that the website address matches exactly with what is displayed in the search results, then go to the homepage. On this website, you can find various discount coupons for courses. Use the search bar to locate the specific course. Once you find it, scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. The coupon has now been activated, and you can access the course for free. Please note that the coupon availability is time sensitive. With just a few simple steps, you can now legally and freely access this course. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Enjoy learning.